Qualities of people with Leo sun sign. Individuals with a Leo sun sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the fiery and confident nature of Leo. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Leo sun sign. Charismatic and confident. Leo sun individuals have a natural charisma and magnetic personality. They exude confidence and are often the center of attention. They have a natural ability to inspire and lead others. Creative and expressive. They have a strong creative drive and a need for self-expression. Leo sun people often excel in creative fields such as art, music, theater, or writing. They have a flair for drama and enjoy showcasing their talents. Generous and warm-hearted. They have a generous and warm-hearted nature. Leo sun individuals are known for their kindness and willingness to help others. They enjoy being generous with their time, resources, and love. Leadership qualities. They possess natural leadership qualities and are comfortable taking charge of situations. Leo sun individuals have a strong sense of self and are confident in their abilities. They inspire others through their enthusiasm and natural authority. Loyal and protective. They are fiercely loyal to their loved ones and protective of those they care about. Leo sun people have a strong sense of loyalty and will go to great lengths to defend and support their friends and family. Dramatic and expressive. They have a flair for drama and enjoy being in the spotlight. Leo sun individuals are expressive and enjoy being the center of attention. They have a natural ability to captivate and entertain others. Self-confidence and self-assurance. They have a strong sense of self-confidence and self-assurance. Leo sun people believe in themselves and their abilities, which gives them the courage to pursue their goals and dreams. Pride and self-respect. They have a sense of pride and self-respect. Leo sun individuals value their self-worth and have a strong desire for recognition and appreciation. They take pride in their accomplishments and strive for success. Playful and fun-loving. They have a playful and fun-loving nature. Leo sun individuals enjoy indulging in leisure activities and taking part in social events. They have a natural ability to bring joy and enthusiasm to any gathering. Natural leaders and influences. They have a natural ability to lead and influence others. Leo sun individuals possess strong leadership qualities and can inspire and motivate those around them. They thrive in positions of authority and enjoy the recognition that comes with it. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets and the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.